Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figeroux Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
Hello, my name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figeroux Associates, and your presenter with a special immigration report. Trump proposes $5 million gold card visa to replace EB-5 program. President Donald Trump has unveiled a proposal to replace the existing EB-5 Immigrant Investor Program with a new gold card visa, priced at $5 million. This initiative aims to attract affluent individuals by offering permanent U.S. residency and a pathway to citizenship in exchange for a substantial financial contribution. The proposal has significant implications for real estate developers, various business sectors, and faces uncertain prospects regarding congressional support. Overview of the Gold Card Visa Proposal. The EB-5 program, established in 1990, allowed foreign investors to obtain green cards by investing a minimum of $1.05 million, or $800,000 in targeted employment areas, into U.S. businesses that created at least 10 jobs. Criticisms of the program have included susceptibility to fraud and inefficiencies. In response, President Trump's Gold Card proposal seeks to overhaul this system by introducing a $5 million visa that grants permanent residency and a route to citizenship. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick described the EB-5 program as full of nonsense, make-believe, and fraud, advocating for the Gold Card as a more robust alternative. Impact on real estate developers. The EB-5 program has been a significant source of funding for real estate projects, particularly in urban areas. Developers have utilized EB-5 investments to finance large-scale projects, benefiting from the influx of foreign capital. The proposed shift to a $5 million gold card visa could have several effects. 1. Reduced investor pool. The substantial increase in the investment threshold may deter many potential investors, especially those from countries with emerging economies. This reduction could lead to decreased capital availability for real estate projects. 2. Shift in project focus. With fewer investors able to meet the $5 million requirement, developers might pivot towards projects that appeal to ultra-high net worth individuals, potentially focusing on luxury developments over affordable housing or community projects. 3. Increased competition. Real estate developers may face heightened competition for a smaller pool of eligible investors, necessitating more attractive project offerings or returns to secure funding. Implications for other businesses. Beyond real estate, the Gold Card proposal could impact various sectors. 1. Diversified investment. Businesses in industries such as technology, manufacturing, and healthcare might attract direct investments from Gold Card holders seeking to engage in ventures beyond real estate. 2. Economic stimulus. The infusion of capital from wealthy investors could stimulate economic growth, leading to job creation and increased consumer spending in local economies. 3. Talent acquisition. Companies may leverage the Gold Card to attract top international talent by sponsoring individuals who can contribute significant expertise and innovation. Congressional support and political considerations. The implementation of the Gold Card visa requires legislative approval, and its reception in Congress remains uncertain. Key considerations include: 1. Bipartisan skepticism. Both Democrats and Republicans have previously expressed concerns about pay-to-play immigration policies, viewing them as favoring the wealthy and undermining equitable immigration principles. 2. Economic arguments. Proponents may argue that the substantial fees collected could reduce the national deficit and fund public projects. However, critics might question the ethical implications of selling residency and citizenship. 3. National security concerns. Ensuring thorough vetting of applicants is crucial to prevent potential security risks, a point likely to be scrutinized during congressional debates. Immigration and wealth advisors have also expressed doubts about the proposal's attractiveness to global investors. Concerns over higher taxes and global income taxation may deter potential applicants, and raising the investment threshold to $5 million could reduce the number of applications, especially due to global tax liabilities. Conclusion: President Trump's proposed $5 million gold card visa represents a significant shift in U.S. immigration policy, aiming to attract high net worth individuals through substantial financial contributions. While this initiative could provide economic benefits and address criticisms of the EB-5 program, it also raises concerns about accessibility for a diverse range of investors and the potential impact on various industries. The proposal's success will depend on legislative approval and its ability to balance economic incentives with equitable immigration practices.
Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figeroux Associates. For a consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.